Hey guys, welcome to day 4. Yes, day 4 of Vlogmas. Today I am going to the airport because I'm going to Atlanta. I'm at the ending of Vlogmas day 3, that you guys probably know that already, but I'm about to go to Atlanta. My car is actually waiting for me outside, and as you guys can see, I'm recording on my camera. So let's get to the airport. I'm at the airport now. You guys should know this already. Got my Starbucks. So I'm about to eat and wait for my drink, and once I finish eating, we're gonna go check in. You ain't gotta hide, you're not in the film room. He was like, he took a step back. But yeah, so we are at the airport. We're about to head out. And I guess I'll come back on here when I'm on the plane or something like that. I don't know how to like record when I'm in the airport. It's so weird. But I'll try to get like some B-roll footage. Okay. We are about to land. We're gonna be landing in like 15 minutes or so. So once we land, I'll get back on here, you guys. I want to get the back of this, but I don't want to get them in the front. You say you got a little gut? Honestly. We be subway surfing for real.
The next stop is for B games. As in Bravo.
Where's the baggage thing at?
He told me the bathroom. He said, yo, why you want to sit there?
This is like, I don't like places like this. Like Dallas has this too. I don't like that. This train stuff.
Walter Hill was crazy.
Dubai, bro.
This train is the
They have from one terminal, like to go from like the beginning to like terminal C. If you walk, it's 40 minutes.
As in Bravo.
That's how fucking big their airport is. They had a whole map. Like, bro, like. I like JFK. This is summer A, summer B, downstairs, summer C. Like, quick, easy. Hello. Too much going on.
Please hold on. This train is stopping. Please collect your belongings and
Okay, so we landed. We are leaving now. About to go to our location where we're staying at. My vlog, I was trying to upload my vlog, but the plane that we were on didn't have like Wi-Fi. I had to like pay for it and stuff, and I was not about to do that. So after we get to our location, or I'm gonna try to upload it. Actually, I'm gonna try to upload the video. Ooh, goddamn. Every time. Okay, so I'm gonna try to upload my video once I get like, you know, I'm seated going to our destination, or when we get to the place and I'm on Wi-Fi, because I need it to be up before 6 today. It's like 5 o'clock right now. How'd I do this again? Oh, I had one of these and I threw it out too. How you do this? Oh, any button? C? You said press C?
Yeah. No, it's Mara.
Oh. No. Let me get my cash, but I'm gonna hop on, back on here once we get settled in to our location. Yeah. I'm platinum, but I got 0 points.
That's what they gotta build it now.
That's crazy.
How far is the list?
3 minutes.
Oh, he outside. He legit got to.
Alright. Guys, so we are leaving Walmart now. About to head back home, go get some tacos. And It's Taco Friday. Oh my God. Also, new thing that I'm finding out. I did not know that Uber, I'm not about to ride you over. I'm trying to record and push this at the same time, bro. I did not know that fucking Uber had rewards, bro. You know how much money I spent on Uber? I could have got me some free Starbucks. I'm so tight. Like, I could have definitely got some free Starbucks. You know how much money I spent? So I just did the reward thing, and now I'm platinum from all the money. Oh, I'm so sorry. Stop riding in front of me. Stop walking in front of me.
That moving, it's kind of here.
I don't know. So now I'm platinum, but I have 0 points because I ain't make no money. So now I gotta start this thing all over again. Don't make no damn sense. But we are about to get some tacos, eat, shower, and then get ready to go out. I'm gonna get back on here when we eat and we getting ready and stuff. I think our lift is about to be here. It's saying, hold on. Ciao. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. Like, I hope these tacos are good because I'm starving. And this mask is killing me. Like, I cannot. I've had this damn mask since they just changed the driver. What the hell? Anyways, this mask is killing me. I've had this mask on since the flight, and I don't know if it's just me, but this mask be hurting the back of my ear so bad. And then on top of that, I feel like I can't breathe right. Like, my stomach starts to hurt by like me just having the mask on for so long. Like, I guess it's just like inhaling the carbon monoxide that comes out of your body back again. I'd be dying. But I'm gonna get back on here. I just said that they changed the driver, and it's 3 minutes, motherfucker. Talking like you like. Anyways, I'm gonna get back on here once we get to the house. I'm eating and getting ready. Okay. Woo! It's cold out here. Talking about it's not that cold. It is cold for a fur. I needed it. This is cold. Shit. Thank you. Sorry, sir. So we are on the hunt to find some food. We may end up getting tacos, but we going to some place called Food Terminal to get some food. It's a reason. Woo! Oh my gosh. Y'all. I thought the city was cold. I mean, the city is cold, but I'm not dressed the way I would be dressed if I was in the city, but it's cold. Food terminal. This looked like a bar. I thought it was like an actual terminal that had multiple like places to eat. Ah, look at this. I thought it was like a terminal that had actual food. Alright, you guys, so we are at where we're staying. I keep on saying that because we're actually staying at Jaquan, one of my friends that I'm here with. One of the friends that I'm here with. Jaquan's friend's house. So I'm not gonna give you guys like a tour or anything because just like invading their privacy, so you're just gonna see what you see in the video. The lighting is really weird here, so I'm trying to get really good lighting. So I just got some food. I got some pad thai noodles and I'm about to eat. And then we're going to shower and get ready. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of me getting ready and stuff, and then we're gonna go out and just try to have some fun while social distancing. I'm not gonna bring you guys along there, so we'll see. Let me show you guys my food. So this is my food. I am having some pad thai noodles with chicken, green peppers, basil, onions. It usually comes with eggs, but I don't eat eggs. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. I was literally on the plane, like uploading my video, well, editing my video, trying to upload it and everything. Am I in focus? I am also trying to focus back there. I don't know why, but on the charger. But yeah, I've literally been trying to upload my video like all day, so I was able to upload it before 6. My past 3 videos, I've been uploading them through my phone, so it'd be really weird once they upload. I also have to like manually go in to turn on the monetization because it doesn't upload with monetization on. So yeah, and also I'm not able to add like end screens or any words or anything because I'm using iMovie. So I was just working with what I have. My next 23 videos are going to be better than this, but I'm that was quick. All right guys, so I'm about to start getting ready. So of course I'll put my lights. Boom. Guys can see me better, right? So yeah, whenever I come traveling, my main thing that I always carry with me is my Juvia's Place to Have palette. Like, this is a blush palette, but it literally has all the colors that I need to make an eye. I use this as like my brow bone color, transitional color to deepen the crease, lid color. Boom. It does it for me. I really don't need nothing else. And I just recently got their chocolates palette, which is like this, and I'm just gonna be using like this color and this color to just deepen those colors that I just showed you guys. And if I want to get like a darker goldish brown, do like a smoky eye thing, I can do that too. So yeah, watch me get ready. And my camera overheats, so it may not be the whole entire process, but it's going to be some process.
Get ready with us, ho. Period.
I'm keeping that in the video too.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. So this is my face. I'm about to put on a lip. Oh, let me put on my fake mold. It's not really a fake mold, it's a real mold that I actually have. Like, see this right here and right here. So I don't put it on all the time. Sometimes I be forgetting. But whenever I remember, they go on. So my lip combo. This has been my current lip combo. Let me get my lipstick. So I've been using the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the color Molasses. If you guys watch my videos and you know that I've had this before. So I had this, but I've used this before. So I just take that and align my lips. I always overline under here. I just like the way that makes my lips look. It makes my lips look bigger. Okay. Now after I'm done with that, I take the Makeup Forever color pencil in the color Dimensional Dark Brown. That is 612. It's like one of the darkest colors. And I outline the very edge of what I already outlined, okay? And I take a little bit, I bring this in. And then I'm using Morphe's Comet lipstick. Take that and blend it. But you guys can see, like, it just makes my bottom lip look so much bigger when I overline it. Like, my top lip is bigger than my bottom lip. And most people like my lips naturally, but you know. It just looks like all of that is my bottom lip. It's not. And then I just take some more of the molasses, the Sephora lip liner. And the reason why I like this lip liner is because it's gel, so it's not matte. And because I wear lip gloss, it just all goes together. If I'm doing a matte lip, I won't use this pencil. I like the ColourPop Pitch pencil. Or there's another one. I just can't remember what it is. But I think it's like a beauty supply store one. And I mix that with the KKW lip pencil. Okay. And that, darling, is pretty much it. I take the Fenty Beauty Fussy Lip Gloss. Let me go get it. Fenty Beauty's Fussy Lip Gloss. Take that. It's right here. Boom. And then I take L'Oreal's Lifter Gloss. It's so good. In the color Moon. Take some of that. And that's my lip. Cute. Now for my edges is looking crazy. I am going to be using Ego Booster. Go get that tip out to be in frame so y'all can see a little bit of it. I am using the orange one if anybody cares. Ooh, but it's the Ego Booster. This is like one of the only things that keeps my edges down all day. Like, I have never found any type of edge control that has done this for my natural hair. But this one does it so well. I'm hooked now. True believer. You guys can't even see it. Did you see that little swoop that I got going? For me, that compared to this. So let me finish getting ready, and once I finish getting ready, I'm gonna hop back on here. Alright guys, so this is me all done up. Let me put on my lights so you can see it. This is me all done. I am wearing a jumpsuit. I need to tighten up the back though. But I'm wearing a jumpsuit, some high socks, and we're here with some friends. We're just gonna go and just have a really good time. But that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas Day 4. A little bit more eventful, I think. I'm not too sure. But yeah, stay tuned for all of the other videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.